Hello students, welcome to Praishu YouTube channel. This is a scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject intelligent test and the topic is term that belongs to a set or the group for the particularly figures. So this video belongs to the practice test IT 025 answers. So question number 1 to 15 there is a common direction. Find the similarity in a group of figure and identify the figure which belongs to the group having the same similarity. Okay, so question number one is there. So there is a this figure square having the two parts shaded and two parts are we can say unshaded. Out of the four parts means we can say this is a half. Okay, 4 and 2, so 2 by 4 means we can say half 1 by 2. Okay, so here so half there, here also the half means 1 by 2, here also and here also. So to matching with this one, option number 2 is a perfectly matching because others are the here the 3 by 4, here the we can say the 3 by 5, here the 1 by 3. So these are not a correct answer, so option number 2 is the correct one. Then option number 2, outer and the inner same shape is there. Okay, so to matching this one, option number 3 is the correct. Then question number 3, so here 3/4 or we can say 3 by 4 part is the shaded, here also the 3 by 4 part is shaded and here also the 3 by 4 part is shaded. To matching this one, option number 1 is the perfectly 3 part is shaded out of the 4, here the 2 part, here 1 part. Okay, and here the 2 part means this is a half, half and half, so we require the 3 by 4, 3/4. So option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 4. So all the figures having the circle inside. Okay. So with this matching, option number 3 is the correct. Then question number 5. All are the closed shapes. So here option number 4 is a closed shape. Then question number 6. The angle in between this one is a acute angle. Okay. So same here also mentioning. Okay. So other this is a right angle, this is a obtuse angle, this is also the obtuse angle. So acute angle means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 7. So line joining from the center to the circle point. So here also same, here also same. So this is a continuity matching with the option number 4. Option number 1 is there. Other 2, 3 and 4 are not perfectly matching with this line joining from center to the circle. Then question number 8. So 5 circles inside. Okay, here also the 5 circles and here also the 5 circles. Okay, so to matching with this one, option number 4 is a perfectly matching, others are not a 5 circles inside, so option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 9. So here if you count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so pentagon means 5 sides shapes having the 5 lines inside, here 3 lines shapes having the 3 line inside means whatever the shapes line total, so that much of the lines are inside. So here 4 line shapes means the square inside the 4 lines. So likewise the option number 3, here the quadrilateral means 4 line shapes, so here also the 4 lines inside, so option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 10. So symmetrical two shapes are overlapping on each others. Here also same, here also same. So this same matching with the option number 1. Others option having the different shapes. Okay, and number of the quantity also different. So option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 11. So first figure and the second figure, so here the opposite replacements. Okay, so here also triangle and the squares are replacing, then the second figure comes. Likewise from the third figure, if you replacing the opposite the quarters shapes, we are getting the option number 3 is a correct one. Then question number 12. So this angle here is a we can say the obtuse angle. So with this one the mirror image we are getting this one. Okay, so here also the same angles, here also the same angles, and it's a mirror image we are getting this one after rotation of this one. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 13. So here the triangle, so 3 parts created, here the rectangular means 4 sides, so 4 parts are created, here the square means 4 sides or 4 lines are there, so 4 parts is created. So like this one, here the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 8 lines, okay, outside. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 parts are created. Here the 3 lines means we can say the triangular shape, but inside more parts, and here also and here also. So option number 4 is the perfectly matching with this group. Then question number 14. So inside and outside the shape is the same, okay, and in inner one is a different shape. So here circle, outer circle, and the inner one in between these two shapes, the middle one we can say that is the different shapes. Here also triangle at the center and triangle at the outer, and in between these two shapes, the middle, or say we can say the center of this, or we can say the middle one is the different one, okay. So to matching this one, so option number 2, here pentagon inside, outer also pentagon, and in between these two, the middle one triangle is a different shape. So option number 2 is a perfectly matching with this one. Question number 15. So this figure and this figure are, we can say, the rotations, or we can say replacement of with the opposite quarter. So this is comes to the opposite quarter, and this also comes to the opposite quarter. Then second figure comes. So from the third figure, if you do the same this criteria, opposite to the shifting to the opposite quarter, so this will comes here, and the circle and this triangle will shift it to this one, and these two shapes are given in option number 4. Thank you.